Happy Easter. It's not really Easter. You killed us. Awi, my face out.
Ay, pukin mo malaki.
Come here. Awi, you were
Kaya pa, bigat-bigat sa braso. Kaya pala ako sinama ni nanay.
Okay.
Pag bibit-bitin ako ng bubuto, pagkabigat-bigat eh.
Kasama ka.
Sa kanto pa kami na. Nagulat ka.
oh my god. You hurt. You hurt my freaking body, bro. Now it's time to kill you now.
Pala, may duty ako.
Step on the
Luto
foot.
kami.
Awi, you step
31
on the
to
foot. Let's kill him.
Ikaw magdadala. Kutkutin na lang ang biling.
May 3 galon na manok. Ilaga mo.
It's time for you to die. I need to kill you now. I don't need to shut up. It's time for you to
Bye! Ingat!
Walang microwave babula. Bili na kasi.
Hindi na, ilagay mo muna ito sa ganung bolo.
Ouchie! You hurt my body parts. It's so hurty. I don't care.
May manok pa yata eh.
It's time. No more church. You get off. Awi.
Sangay, tsaka manok.
Okay, watch this happen. It's time for you. Oh.
Wow, sana all.
Okay, this way. It's not really time. It's time for you to die. I need you. Owie. Oh, who's doing that? Who's doing that?